Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a lovely two-story house for sale. It comes with 6 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. The house has a panoramic view of the plains and hills of the St. Elizabeth countryside, along with glimpse of the blue waters of the Caribbean Sea. It is suitable for conversion to a guest house or small hotel. It sits on a beautiful half-acre, gentle sloping lot with numerous fruit trees and the lush green lawns in a quiet neighborhood within half an hour to Jake's Hotel, Treasure Beach, Alligator Pond, Junction, Santa Cruz, and the South Coast beaches. It is also just minutes from Spur Tree and Mandeville. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 70 million or US $454.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.